I'm here with my boy Bobby right now doing mobile detailing. He's come to the house to see if he can clean this beast up for me, give you guys an idea of the before, and then we'll talk with him afterwards after he tells us what he did. Here she is. She's dirty as all hell. Bob, you think you can be able to fix this thing, make it look brand new again?
Get your shine on.
All right. All right, Bobby, we're at the finished product. So tell us what you did with the truck when you got here. So I saw you had you had the power washer first.
Yep. So what we did, we gave it a hand washed.
Yep.
Followed by a clay bar process.
So you, even though it's a new truck, you clear about it anyways.
Yes. So what a clay bar treatment is, it picks up anything that's stuck to the surface of the paint.
Like road tire, bugs stuck on it, all that shit you can't get off with a car wash.
So like you could wash a car like a million times and it's just not getting that stuff off.
Right.
So
the clay bar takes it off.
Yep. Followed by a coat of wax.
Yep. I saw you with these tires for a while. You were in the rims. You would scrub with some purple shit, and then you really put some wax on, and then you went in and rehit it again.
Yeah. So these wheels and tires have been cleaned, and also been protected with a slightly coated wax that I spray on there for some high gloss.
Yeah.
And we've got some tire shine. But the most important thing is that the vehicle is now ready for winter. It's protected for 6 months.
You got the coat of wax on it.
Correct.
Now, what'd you do on the inside of it?
On the inside,
yeah,
you got the leather seat package, so all the leather has been cleaned and conditioned.
And you did, obviously, you did the doors, the panels, you did all the glass.
Yep, check out those door jambs.
Yeah, everything looks clean. So this is your standard package. I don't get special treatment. This is what everyone gets. Everyone gets the package if they choose this. Correct. So they just got to contact you to do that. And then next up is going to be the Range Rover, and pretty much you can do the same package as that. I'll do before stuff of that, and then you won't be here for the after, but at least we'll get it done. So Bobby, how do they get a hold of you if they need to get a hold of you?
If you need to get a hold of me, get a hold of me through Facebook.
Yep.
Or you could also call us on our number, 617-874-7464.
And where are you on Facebook?
We are at Boston's Best Auto Detailing.
Right, and they can just look you up and you come down. And now, so you came to my house.
Yep.
So you come to houses. Where else do you go?
I'm basically all over the South Shore.
So do you go to Boston, or you don't go to Boston?
I'm south of Boston.
So you go to south of Boston, right around Boston, then down South Shore, and you'll come to my office?
Correct. Yep.
And what about if you need like water and electricity? I don't have that available for you.
We are self-contained, so our work truck is self-contained and carrying its own water and power.
Fully insured?
Correct.
Awesome. This truck looks fantastic, guys. We're doing a big reveal on the Raptor today. Bobby said he'd get down, he's gonna get this thing done for me. Last minute, he came down. Look at the shine on that. Look at the shine on that. Great job, Bob.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you, brother. And this is up next, the 2018 Range Rover Sport. That's gonna look shiny?
Oh yeah, get your shine on.
All right. Did that go? Obviously, this is how you get a hold of Bob. There's his phone number. You can look at the prices here. What he charges per car, per truck, per SUV. They also have them online. Well, you can see Bob did a good job on this thing. These rims were full of brake dust. For some reason, these Range Rover rims always get hit with brake dust. But man, this thing came out shiny. I was hoping to get it in the daylight, but I couldn't. But made this thing look new again.